Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python, a free online tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language that has gained immense popularity for its readability and simplicity. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to learn Python, this free online tutorial will guide you through the basics and help you build a solid foundation in Python programming. Table of Contents. Setting up your Python environment. Understanding variables and data types. Control flow statements. Functions and modules. Data structures in Python. File handling in Python. Exception handling. Object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python. Introduction to libraries and frameworks. Building a simple Python project. Code examples. Feel free to follow along, experiment with the code, and adapt it to your own projects. Happy coding! ChatGPT.